the record mode. All right. Today, first concept: how to find all web elements of web application. How to find all web elements of web application. How to find all web elements of web application. Small code. So already we learned logic. So today concept is how to find all web elements of web application using Selenium Webdriver. So I'm taking one site wd dot get web elements. I'm focusing on only web elements. wd dot get http akhilreddy.com http akhilreddy.com. So I want to focus on the only web element. Now write list web element list web element. So we can give reference name is element equal to wd dot find element by dot xpath. So if you want web elements, only web elements, here we will use logic double slash star double slash star only. Next SYSO control space element dot size. We can get the number of web elements. This is not Webdriver program. Where we are exactly? List web element, right? List web element element dot size. It is showing error. No. Java.util right element dot size system dot out dot printer element I gave. Okay. Where is list? Find elements, right? So that is the reason. So save, click on run. Here we are focusing on the number of web elements. So find elements. That is the reason it is shown error. So I'm clicking on save and click on run. AkhilReddy.com. How many web elements on that AkhilReddy.com? We can get it. .396 web elements we have. 396 web elements we have. Like we can get how to get a number of web elements on web application. So that is the first concept. Second concept, how to find out current date, time, minutes and seconds. How to find out current year, month, date, hours, minutes and seconds. Next concept, how to find out current year, month, date, minutes, seconds. Everything we can find out using the Selenium. How to find out current year and month, date and everything. So Webdriver WD equal new Firefox driver. Webdriver WD equal new Firefox driver. Date format df equal to new simple date format. New simple date format. Date format date format df equal to new simple date format. Keep double colons 4 years and underscore month 1 2 3 4 underscore date space hours underscore minutes underscore seconds. So date format df equal to new simple date format, new simple date format. So import the statement date format, already predefined function date format java.text, simple date format java.text. Next date,
Hello.
hello, date d equal to
Ah, yes.
new date, date d equal to new date, date d equal to new date. So next, store in one string. How to find out current year, month, date, hours, minutes and seconds. That is the concept string. Giving reference name equal to time equal to df dot date format. Df dot format. Df. Df dot df dot format d. Right. Next wd dot get http akhilreddy.com. Next SYSO control space time. So now we can get the current year, month, date, everything. Date, date come to down date java dot util, java dot util. All right. Save, click on run. Now we can get the year, current year, month, date, hours, minutes and seconds. This is the second concept. This is the second concept. Date is 2016 May 12th. My system time is different. It will show you only system time 10:30 something. 2016 May 12th. Today May 12th. 2016 time it is showing wrong. Why? Because this is the US timings. Not US timing. Something different timing zone. I'm using different timing zone for this go to meeting purpose. I'm maintaining wrong day, wrong time. Okay, right. That is the concept. How to find out current year, month, date, hours, minutes, and seconds. That is the concept. Second concept. Third concept. How to find element is enabled or not using Selenium. Third concept, how to find out element is enabled or not. How to find out element is enabled or not, we need to find out. How to find out element is enabled or not using Selenium WebDriver. All right. So I'm taking Google site, google.com. Third concept, how to find out enable web element is enabled or not. I'm going to Google. So here we are writing for loop if condition we will write web element reference name element web element reference name element equal to wd dot find element by dot xpath. So I'm giving standard xpath here. I'm giving standard xpath here. Input at the rate name equal to, I'm taking name property now, name equal to single slash and giving, I will show you something btni. I remember btni. It is right or not, I don't know. btni, I forgot. So I'm giving one Gmail XPath I'm giving. Name property I'm giving. btni is the name property. I will show you. No need to worry. So now here I'm writing if condition. If if mm, if element reference name element dot is enabled is enabled second one. So this is the if condition. So start curling bracket and SYSO control space element is enabled. Element is enabled. Next else. SYSO control space element is not enabled. Element is not enabled. So go and get it the name property. Go to Google. Get the name property. Go to Google and get the name property. Which one? Okay. Take any XPath. Firefox, web developer, Firebug, Google search. Name property. What is the name property? There is no name. Okay, right. I'm feeling lucky. Is there any property? No. Name property BTNI. So I am feeling lucky is enabled or not. I want to find out. So that's the reason I am giving BTNI. Copy here. Come to here. Control V. Name property I am taking. Right. If it is enabled, it will give element is enabled. So if it is disabled, element is not enabled. It will show you. Save. Click on run. No, 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 no. The enabled element is enabled or not. No need of this one. First go to Google and it will check. Save. Click on run. If it is enabled, it will give element is enabled. So element is enabled. I am feeling lucky. Always it will be enabled. So that is the third concept. That is the third concept in Selenium. Advanced concepts and remaining concept to next concept to new window open. How to select checkbox over. Wait. Next. How much time taking a load a page? Already over or not? How much time taking to load a page using Selenium? I think we finished.
No, sir. No, sir. No,
How much time taking a load a page using Selenium? Not or finished?
not finished.
Not finished. Okay, great. Oh, simple. Already finished, but you forget. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Just first of all, we will take start. How next concept? How much time taking to load a page using Selenium? Next concept name is how much time taking to load a page using Selenium. I'm taking start time. START start. So I'm taking in long start equal to system dot current time milliseconds. Oh, the spell mistakes. System dot current time millis. I'm taking current system time. I'm opening Gmail page. After that, I'm taking long finish equal to system dot current time millis. Right. Next, if you want a total time, long total equal to long total time equal to finish minus start. Finish minus start. So total time we can get now. SYSO control space total time. Now tell me, is it finished or not? Save yesterday, I think. Madam, tell me, is it finished or not?
No, sir.
Uh, okay, total time is 2 seconds, 2038. That means 2 seconds it is taking. So if you want to load the page Google, so it is taking 2 seconds. Right, right. Next. Only last concept we have in advanced concepts. Last final concept to listener class. Today, first, last and final concept to listener class. Listener class. Next, last concept in Selenium WebDriver, that is listener class. So that is very important class, listener class. Last concept in Selenium, that is listener class. What is listener class? This is a very big concept in Selenium. Very big concept in Selenium WebDriver. So next concept name is listener. Listener. Listener is the one of the concept provided by Java. Listener is the one of the concept provided by Java which is used for which is used for which is so listener class. Listener class Listener class is the one of the concept provided by Selenium Webdriver. Listener class having some predefined methods. Listener class having some predefined methods. Whenever using these methods, whenever using these methods, automatically it can perform the operations. Whenever using these methods, so automatically it can perform the operations like navigate back, no space, only I am writing with the space, but no space. Navigate back, navigate forward. Just like we have number of methods, I will show you. Listener class is the one of the concept provided by Selenium WebDriver. Listener class having some predefined methods. Whenever using these methods, automatically it can perform the operations like navigate back, navigate forward, after click on, after before click on, after click on. Like this, we have number of methods. So I will show you that methods. Concentrate. Only this purpose, this concept of purpose we learn Java. So all Java concepts. Once again, I will remind you. So listener. Very important concept in total Selenium WebDriver. So first, go to download Selenium. Download Selenium. Mm, Download Selenium. Click on first link. Come to Java. Come to Java. Click on Java Devosi. Now click on Abstract WebDriver Event Listener class. Just click on Abstract WebDriver Event Listener class. Just click on that. After click on that, we can get number of methods. Methods with description. Each and every method having own description. So after change value of this is the method. Web element space element WebDriver space driver. This is the description. So after navigate forward, this is the method. WebDriver space driver. This is the description. After navigate refresh, this is the method. WebDriver space driver. This is the description. So each and every method having own description. After navigate back, this is the method name. WebDriver space driver, this is the description. Whenever you are working with any software company, that time that company people will allow you to access the web application. That time we can copy and paste the method and description. If you want to remember, it is very difficult. Why? Because we have lakhs of methods. So if you want to remember lakhs of descriptions, it is very difficult to remember. So whenever you are working with any software company, that the company people will give you access to web application. That time we can copy and paste all the methods and descriptions. No need to remember, no need to worry. So now my intention and concentration on after navigate back and after navigate forward. I'm taking two methods. So each and every method, whenever you are writing method, compulsory we need to write the description also. We need to write to description also. Right. I'm copying the one method. I'm copying the one method. Copy. Come to Eclipse. Now I'm taking one listener class. I'm taking one listener class. Go to SRC. Take the new class. Class name is listener. Listener. Take the class name. No spell mistake. Listener listener class. I'm taking only class. Here I'm writing public void control V. I'm writing this method name SYSO function body. Your choice. Akhil, navigate back. Akhil, you said, come back. Next, public void. After navigate forward. I'm writing two methods. Copy. Control V. SYSO. Control space. Akhil, you said, go forward. All right. Import the WebDriver statements. No need of function bracket. All right. I wrote two methods. Actually, these methods are belongs to abstractor WebDriver event listener methods. These two methods are belongs to abstract WebDriver event listener methods. I want to use in listener class. How we can use? Already we learned one concept in Java. What is that concept name? Tell me. So all Java concepts once again I will repeat you friends. Now tell me. So actually these methods are belongs to abstract WebDriver event listener methods. But I want to apply to listener class. How we can apply? We learned one concept that is Sarita madam. Already you know some Java and you know some Selenium also. Now tell me. Actually these methods after navigate back and after navigate forward both methods are belongs to ab- abstract WebDriver event listener methods. I want to apply to listener class. How we can apply? Kiti madam, Santoshi madam, tell me.
What,
No,
sir?
actually these methods are belongs to after navigate back and after navigate forward, these two methods are belongs to abstract WebDriver event listener methods madam.
Okay, sir.
I want to apply to listener. How we can apply? We learned one concept in Java. What is that concept? To tell me. Sarita madam. We learned one concept in Java. What is that concept? Actually, these methods are belongs to abstract WebDriver event listener methods. I want to apply these methods to listener. How we can apply? Hmm, both you didn't practice Java, so very sad. We can use listener concept. We can use one word extends. Listener extends. Abstract WebDriver event listener. We can use extends. 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 Listener extends. Abstract WebDriver event listener. LISTENER listener. So already I told you that logic. Already I told you. What is that logic? A extends B. That means B properties will come to A. So same logic. A extends B. That means B properties will come to A. So these methods are belongs to abstract WebDriver. Now I am writing listener extends to abstract WebDriver event listener. So listener methods will come to listener. Abstract WebDriver event listener methods will come to listener. Right. Import the statement. Abstract WebDriver event listener. Hmm. Show. public class. Why it is not showing? Show. Change to abstract Webdriver event listener. So I have taken one class, listener class. I wrote two methods, and I extended to abstract Webdriver event listener. And go SRC, take the new class. Concentrate, friends. I'm giving name is mouse something. I'm taking another class. I'm giving name is mouse. Now I'm taking main method also. So I want to call that methods. How we can call? So WebDriver WD equal to new Firefox driver. This line also we learned in Java. Interface name reference name equal to new class name. In the place of class, I'm taking Firefox driver. Right. I'm writing another line. WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver. Next, I'm writing event firing WebDriver EFWD equal to new event firing WebDriver WD. This logic also we learned in Java. What is that concept? Now tell me. WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver event firing WebDriver EFWD equal new event firing WebDriver WD. This logic also we learned in Java. From which concept? Tell me. No, no, I know. You don't know. I know. File writer FW equal new file writer. Buffer writer BW equal new buffer writer FW. Remember, file writer FW equal to new file writer. Buffer writer BW equal new buffer writer FW. That means only if you write file writer, we can't write the data into the file system. Compulsory, we need to take the reference of buffer writer. Then only we can able to write the data into the file system. That's the reason we use this logic. Here also, if you use only WebDriver, we can't use listener class functions. If you want to use listener class functions, we need to take support of event firing WebDriver. So event firing WebDriver is a event support method. It is a event support method. Using this event support method, we can use the listener class methods here. So this logic also we learned in Java, that is concept name is dynamic handling file system concept. File writer FW equal new file writer, buffer writer BW equal new buffer writer. We will use that file writer reference. So that means file writer FW equal new file writer, buffer writer BW equal to new buffer writer FW. Okay. That is the we learned in Java only. This logic also we learned in Java. Okay, right. Next. Previous class name listener 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 L equal to new listener. This concept also we learned in Java. What is the concept? Listener L equal new listener, class name reference name equal to new class name. This is the first concept. Static properties and non-static properties. Listener L equal new listener, class name reference name equal to new class name. Previous class name is listener. Listener L equal to new listener. This is the non-static. I wrote functions in non-static. In the listener class, I wrote functions non-static. So if it is non-static, we need to create the object. Listener L equal to new listener. Class name reference name equal to new class name. So already we learned static properties, non-static properties finished. Overriding interface concept finished. Dynamic handling file system concept also finished. Right. Next. EFWD dot register L. So we are registering the listener class into EFWD event firing WebDriver. We are register the this listener class into event firing WebDriver EFWD dot register L. So if you want to open any site, we will use event firing WebDriver reference only. EFWD dot get. If you want to work with any site, just mention the site name http google.com. So right, I will say you conclusion, no need to worry. WD dot Find element by dot EFWD by dot XPath. I'm giving Gmail XPath. I'm giving Gmail XPath. I'm clicking on Gmail. I'm going to Google and I'm clicking on Gmail. So next EFWD dot navigate back. Next EFWD dot navigate dot forward. Right. Go to Google. Go to Google. Take the Gmail XPath. Activate. Take the Gmail XPath. Copy. Control V. If I click on Firefox driver, event firing WebDriver, event firing WebDriver, listener, previous class name is listener LISTE. Oh, spell mistake. LISTENER, listener. All right. Save, click on done. What will happen? First it will go to Google and after that it will go to Gmail and it will come back to Google and once again it will go to Gmail. That is the concept. So automatically whenever using this method, so automatically it can perform the operations. So I already told you one definition. Listener is the one of the concept provided by Selenium WebDriver. Listener class having some methods. Whenever using this method, so automatically it can perform the operations. So like first it will go to Google, it will go to Gmail and after that it will come back like it will come to Google and after that it will go to Gmail page. Save, click on run. Yes, Google Gmail. So that is the concept. So what is the use of this concept, sir? Okay, whenever using this method, so whenever using this methods, listener class method, so we can get the proof. We can get the proof. So here we are getting the proof. Akhil, you said come back. Akhil, you said go forward. We can get the proof. Sir, this concept is very lengthy and very complexity. So I don't want any proof. I don't want any proof. I don't want to use any listener class methods. I want to use listener class methods, but I don't want any proof. So how we can do? So no need of these methods. No need of this one. No need of listener class. Directly we can do. If you want proof, we can use listener class. If you don't want any proof, no need of anything. I don't know any listener class. I don't know anything. Simply we can delete. Delete. So same task we can do. Without listener we can do. Without listener we can do. But we can't get any proof. If you want proof, we can use listener class. Otherwise we don't want. No need. So I don't want any listener also. Just simply we can write first webdriver wd equal new Firefox driver wd.get_http google.com. I'm clicking on Gmail. It will come back and it will go forward. Save, click on run. Here is no proof. We can go to it. It will move the application, but we can't get any proof. First it will go to Google. After that it will go to Gmail. After Google, Gmail. So no proof. We can't get any proof. If we want proof, we can use listener class methods. If you don't want anything, just simply we can write only 4-line statements. Only 4-line statement. That is the concept of listener class. That is the concept of listener class. Listener concept. Listener class. Very, very important concept in total entire Selenium WebDriver. This is the one of the very, very important class. Why we learned Java? Only this logic, this concept purpose, only listener class purpose we learned Java. So that is the concept of listener class concept. Next, last concept, mouse movements. Mouse movements. Next concept, mouse movements. So I will show you last concept in Selenium WebDriver. Last concept, I'm going to now observe carefully what is mouse movements. This is a very, very important concept. Very, very Advantages of Selenium WebDriver. I'm going to Naukri. I'm going to Naukri. I'm going to Naukri. I'm scroll downing. Observe carefully. I'm scroll down total application and scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. I'm coming to bottom of the page. I'm giving one jobs by skills XPath. I'm giving one XPath, that is jobs by skills XPath I'm giving. Observe carefully. Observe carefully here. This is the one of the very, very important concept. What main advantage in Selenium WebDriver? So jobs by skills XPath I'm giving. Sorry, that is the XPath. Copy the XPath. Copy here. That is the XPath or not? Jobs by skill XPath. Copy. Come to application. I'm giving that XPath. Control V. I'm going to Naukri. Naukri, Naukri.com. So save. So once observe carefully, if I click on Naukri, jobs by skills, we can get one window. Jobs by skills window we can get. So automatically it will scroll down and it will click on this window. Save, click on run. It will not show you. It will not show you scroll down. Automatically it will scroll down. It will click on that page, jobs by skills page. So we can get the output. This is the jobs by skills output, we can get it. So within seconds only. So here we have, observe carefully, here we have thousands of XPaths. Here we have thousands of XPaths. So XPath is nothing but it is a unique location. Automatically it will find out this one. Automatically it will find out, it can identify. So jobs by skills. So that is the concept. So here we have thousands of XPaths. All are web elements. But within seconds it will identify the XPath and it will click on that application. So jobs by skills, we can get the output. It will not show you, but it will click. We can get the output. We can get the output. That is the concept of mouse movement. So this is the very, very advantage in Selenium WebDriver. Main advantage is mouse movements. Okay, if you want to do manually, we need to scroll down. But Selenium automatically it will scroll down and it will click on the button. That is the concept of mouse movements. These are the advanced Selenium WebDriver programs. Concept.